I love figurines. Whether it's robots in disguise or just your typical figures from an anime store. But what if you had the ability to make your own? In this episode, we're going to explore my new discovery to creating, or should I say, printing my own figures. Check it out on today's Tech Talk. Hey guys, Naisha here, just an average girl. And last year, I bought myself the Ender 3v2 3D printer for Christmas. And even though I've had some cons, the pros have outweighed them. For a beginner like myself, assembling it wasn't as hard as I thought it would. In fact, there are plenty of videos online that are very helpful. A couple of my pet peeves, of course, was bed leveling. Even though I finally figured it out, the constant leveling after every other print was a bother, so I upgraded. And the bed itself? It came warped, so I ended up going with glass. So not only can I print without having to constantly level the bed, I don't have to put any kind of adhesive on the glass because the print sticks, and it comes off with no problems. There are plenty of sites that offer free figures to test out prints, as well as some that you have to purchase at excellent prices. There are also available programs to upload said figures to prepare the print. I use Cura. It reminds me of an old program I used when I was in college, but it's very easy to manage. And when my first print out was complete, I was in awe. And since then, I've been having fun. My only challenge, however, is figuring out the setting for silk printing. I mean, I have my moments, but when it works, it's gorgeous. And I still have yet to dive even deeper into the world of 3D printing, as I have yet to explore the different textures and even the art of transforming an actual 3D print. Of course, I do have other plans for this, as I have had a lifelong dream of my characters from Knights of Iran coming to life from paper into the three-dimensional world. Now, before you say, I want a 3D printer, I suggest that you do your research first, as there are different types. There's printing that involves using resin that most people use when making characters from their favorite anime shows. Or what I have, a filament printer, where strings of plastic is in a giant spool and you feed it into a nozzle through a hot end, which melts the plastic at a set temperature. And if you have your settings right, your print comes out looking fabulous. I especially love the fact that I can paint these guys, and they come out pretty neat. And I can't wait to explore the world of airbrushing. Overall, whether you want to make a hobby out of this, or even a business, you can always check out the millions of YouTubers that are pros at giving you the 411 on the printer of your choice, how to maintain it, and fun upgrades as well as settings that will make your print life so much easier. Thank you guys for watching. This is Naisha Marine, and I'm just an average girl. Stay tuned.